How to clear app storage on Amazon. Are you guys facing issue to clear app storage on Amazon application? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Amazon app on your mobile device. Once you open the app, now log in into your account with your registered email and password. After you get logged in, now look at the top right corner of your screen where you can see the setting icon. Tap on it. After you click on it, you can see multiple options over here: notification, permissions, and manage app store. You are looking to manage app, right? Now tap on manage app storage. Now click on app storage. And that's it, guys. That's how we're gonna clear app storage on Amazon application. Guys, found this video helpful? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And if you guys have any issues regarding Amazon, make sure to comment down.